Are you looking for the best rowing machines? In this video we will look at some of best rowing machines. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Serene Life SLR WMC60. Budget-friendly rowing machine. The Serene Life SLR WMC60 is our fifth pick, and it's a great option for those on a budget. It stands out with smart features through the FitShow app, which lets you track and analyze your workout data. This rower uses magnetic and air resistance, with 16 adjustable levels to match different fitness levels and workout intensities. The machine has a digital LCD display that shows time, distance, strides, and calories burned. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to easily pair devices within a 16.4-foot range. Built with a durable steel alloy frame, it supports users up to 250 pounds and offers a rowing distance of 33.27 inches. Its folding design makes it perfect for home use, and the quiet operation and smooth, padded seat provide extra comfort while you work out. Plus, the auto power-off function and reinforced handlebar pull cable show that it's designed with both energy efficiency and durability in mind. Number 4. Echelon Row S. The Row S delivers exceptional workout versatility with its 32 levels of magnetic resistance and 22 inches HD swiveling touchscreen. This connected rowing machine features a sturdy aluminum and steel frame that supports users up to 300 pounds. The magnetic resistance system operates quietly and can be adjusted directly from the handlebar via Bluetooth controls. For space efficiency, the machine folds horizontally, reducing its footprint from 84 by 21 by 47 to 41 by 21 by 60 in. Built-in Bluetooth speakers and the Echelon Fit app provide access to live and on-demand classes including rowing workouts, strength training and scenic rows. The 6-foot platform offers adjustable foot positions for different user heights, while the padded seat ensures comfort during longer sessions. The machine includes transport wheels for easy movement and comes with a standard 1-year warranty extendable to 5 years with an Echelon Premier membership. Number 3. Hydrow Wave Rower. The Wave offers premium rowing performance in a more compact design than its predecessor, featuring a 16 inches HD touchscreen and electromagnetic resistance system that delivers a quiet, realistic on-water experience. The machine measures 80 by 19 by 43 in and supports users up to 375 pounds with a 36 inches inseam maximum. Its aluminum and steel frame comes in 5 color options and includes front-facing speakers for immersive audio. The resistance can be adjusted from 50 to 300 drag factor, simulating different boat configurations. The Wave connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing integration with heart rate monitors and fitness apps like Strava. The subscription-based platform provides access to over 4,300 workouts including live sessions and on-demand classes led by Olympic athletes. While not foldable, it can be stored vertically with an optional wall anchor. The machine operates quietly at around 60 dB, making it suitable for home use without disturbing others. Number 2. Concept 2 Row. This is our runner-up pick and is widely recognized as the standard for indoor rowing training used by Olympic athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. This air-resistance rower features a durable aluminum and steel construction that supports users up to 500 pounds with a nickel-plated steel chain drive system and a spiral damper offering 10 resistance levels. The PM5 performance monitor tracks essential metrics like distance, speed, stroke rate, calories, and watts while offering Bluetooth connectivity for fitness apps and heart rate monitors. The machine measures 95 in long by 24 in wide, weighs 57 pounds and can be separated into 2 pieces for storage without tools. With a standard seat height of 14 in or 20 in the tall leg version, adjustable foot rests and an ergonomic handle with a 10-degree bend, the Row delivers a smooth, comfortable rowing experience. The machine operates quietly and requires minimal maintenance, backed by a 5-year frame warranty and 2-year parts warranty. Number 1. Nordic Track Smart Rower RW900. This is the best rowing machine you can buy on the market and stands out for its exceptionally quiet magnetic resistance system and smooth rowing motion. The rower features a premium 22 inches HD touchscreen display that can pivot 360 degrees, allowing users to follow workouts both on and off the machine with 26 digital resistance levels that automatically adjust during trainer sessions. The machine provides a versatile workout experience. Build quality is solid with a steel frame, comfortable padded seat, and oversized adjustable foot pedals that accommodate most users. The machine measures 82 by 22 by 54 in and can be stored vertically to save space. Though at 163 pounds it requires some effort to move despite having transport wheels. The RW900 comes integrated with iFit technology, providing access to thousands of workouts including scenic rowing sessions filmed on waterways worldwide. The resistance automatically syncs with instructor commands during classes, creating an immersive training experience. Some limitations include a 250 pounds weight capacity and the requirement for an electrical outlet. The rower cannot be stored in a garage as it voids the warranty. While the price point is premium, the combination of build quality, technology features, and workout variety makes it a comprehensive home rowing solution. So that sums up my top 5 rowing machines. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great